1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I saw you dancing out the ocean, running fast along the sand. A spirit born of earth and water, fire flying from your hands. Hold me closer, tiny dancer. Count the headlights on the highway. Lay me down in sheets of linen. You had a busy day today. Hold me closer. Hold me closer. Hold me closer. Hold me closer. There are caravans we follow, late nights in dark hotels, when chances breathe between their silence, where fate and love no longer gel. Hold me closer, tiny dancer. Count the headlights on the highway. Lay me down in sheets of linen. You had a busy day today. Hold me closer. 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 Hey, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future content coming from this channel. And also, I want to thank Leolani for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase the T52 4G, which is a tenor size uke, and this has become my favorite ukulele to play because the tone sounds incredible. It's very warm, dynamic, and also the action is low, so it's easy to press down on those strings. And for the price you pay for this instrument, you get a lot of quality that you won't find elsewhere. So get a hold of your T52 4G today by clicking on the link in my description box below. Again, thanks for checking out this channel, and if you want to hear some more music, then click on that link right over there. It's going to take you to another one of my ukulele play-alongs I think you're going to enjoy, and maybe you're going to play along with me by breaking out your ukulele, but whatever the case, I hope to see you right over there.